Hey guys! Welcome back! Sa panahon ngayon, usong-uso yung mga online jobs or yung mga work from home kagaya ko. Minsan, mapapansin mo na lang na maghapon ka na palang nakaupo. So, I make sure to do my morning walks on the park or do a quick 30-minute run on the treadmill kasi these things help me achieve my goal of having a more active lifestyle. Buti na lang I have the new Huawei Watch GT4 to help me track my activities and reach my goals because it is packed with tons of fitness and productivity features. Well, if you want to know more, stick around kasi yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Before we begin, if you are someone that loves tutorials, tech news, and unboxing videos like this one, please consider subscribing. Kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and helpful videos regularly. Okay, una sa lahat, let me show you yung box ng Huawei Watch GT4. So sa harap, makikita na natin yung actual na itsura ng watch natin kasama yung strap. So I got the 46mm with a brown leather strap. Sa likod naman, we have a QR code. And a quick reminder that says that this product is not designed to be a medical device and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent diseases. So now that that's done, let's open this to see what's inside. Here we have the Watch GT4, pero itabi muna natin siya. On here we have the charger. It takes about an hour and 30 minutes to fully charge this device. Lastly, we have the user guide. It might be helpful to read this lalong-lalo na kung first time smartwatch user ka kasi it teaches you the basic functionalities and meron din diyang mga useful tips on how to take care of your smartwatch. Okay, now let's talk about the design. So, nung una kong nakita yung watch, I was impressed by the build quality. Everything about it feels premium and well-built. Talagang makikita mo yung quality ng craftsmanship mula sa strap, pati sa watch itself. Isa sa mga concerns ko sa mga smartwatches is its weight. Kasi I normally wear it all day long. Since I am reviewing this for you guys, I'm planning on wearing this 24/7. So comfort is a big deal for me. Yung everyday watch ko kasi rubber yung strap. So hindi talaga ako sanay sa leather straps. But after wearing it for a couple of hours, it felt comfortable and I didn't feel awkward at all. We have a total of 7 options to choose from. Let's break it down according to size para hindi kayo malito. For the 46mm, we have 4 color options. Each variant varies in price kasi magkakaiba sila ng material. The black variant is a rubber strap made from fluoroelastomer material. This brown variant that I have with me is a leather strap, which is perfect for a smart casual look. The green variant has a composite strap, which is made out of recycled nylon materials. Last on the list is the gray model, which has a stainless steel strap, therefore making it the most expensive. So let's move on to the 41mm. The 41mm has 3 variants. The light gold variant features a Milanese strap. The white variant offers a white leather strap. And finally, the special edition two-tone piano key color. It has a stainless steel material, making it the most expensive of the bunch. For both sizes, the watch cases are crafted from 316L stainless steel material commonly used on Swiss watches. Magkaiba yung shape ng frame nila. Medyo octagonal yung shape ng 46mm. Samantalang round naman yung 41mm. They are both IP68 dust and water resistant and both can withstand up to 5 atm pressure. The glass itself is what Huawei calls 3D hardened glass, which is strong enough to handle accidental bumps and scratches. Malaking tulong yan, lalo na pagka medyo clumsy ka kagaya ko. We have 2 buttons at the right side. The upper button is used to zoom in and zoom out and also to access the home screen. Etong lower button naman is fully customizable. So, pwede mong ilagay dyan yung app na lagi mong ginagamit. In my case, yung heart monitor yung nilagay ko dito. The 46mm equips a 1.43 AMOLED screen with 466 by 466 pixel resolution. On the other hand, the 41mm version sports a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen, supporting 466 by 466 pixels. At dahil mas maliit yung screen niya, is more pixel dense with 352 ppi. Kaya mas sharper and mas defined yung images. As I was exploring all the features of the watch, I was impressed by the responsiveness of the screen. Impressive din yung display quality niya. Alam ko na gas-gas na to, pero to put it simply, the screen response is buttery smooth. Speaking of watch faces, hindi ka mauubusan kasi sobrang dami mong options to choose from. Meron siyang paid section for unique designs. Pero don't worry kasi marami ka ding pwedeng pagpilian doon sa free section. Pero yung pinaka nagustuhan ko is that it has this feature where it can generate a watch face to match the color or pattern of the shirt you are wearing. So let's try this with this shirt. You just have to take a photo of your shirt and then go to the Huawei Health app. Click on Watch Faces. Then on the Mine tab, click on Style. Sa next page, click the plus button. And then pili kayo ng photo from your gallery. It will then generate a watch face na nagmamatch dun sa color ng damit mo. Pretty cool, right? The device comes with Harmony OS 4.0. Meron siyang downloadable na health app for both Android and iOS users. Merong QR code sa likod ng box. And you can scan it to download the app. Pero kung Huawei user ka naman, kagaya ko, pre-installed na yan as your Huawei Health app. Maraming useful health and fitness features dito sa Huawei Health app. You can see your day's progress via these activity rings. You can also check your heart rate with the upgraded TrueSyn 5.5 Plus that now adds AI-powered deep learning features with 17,000 plus data input. You can monitor how many hours of sleep you've had with Huawei True Sleep 3.0 that enables better accuracy on sleep tracking. You can check your stress levels as well as your SpO2 levels with improved reading precision by 15%. The Watch GT4 also comes with tons of fitness-focused apps and widgets that you can browse here. It is a good companion for your daily exercise because it now supports over 100 types of workout modes plus 20 professional modes. There are also some useful widgets like the compass, alarm clock, flashlight, and Huawei wallet. Pero yung isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko is this app. Kasi lagi kong nami-misplace yung phone ko.
I'm here!
If you are too lazy to get your phone from your pocket, you can now answer calls on this watch via Bluetooth calling. And you can also reply to messages from WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook, and SMS using the keyboard on your GT4. Now, about the battery and usage, I've been using this watch for over a week now. And I've charged it only once, which is nung una ko lang siyang binuksan. The Watch GT4 supports always on display, providing easy access to various information. With a frame rate for as low as 1 Hz, it achieves low power consumption and thus a longer battery life. Yung 41mm is expected to last for 7 days, while 14 days naman for the 46mm. The Watch GT4 is a fashion-forward piece, therefore making it appealing to both traditional watch users and smartwatch users. From sporty to casual to formal, they've got a design that suits your sense of style. You can expect an extensive 14-day review from me soon. But so far, my entire experience with the Watch GT4 has been fantastic. If you are interested in getting one of these bad boys, I'll leave a link on the description box kung saan kayo makakabili. So that's the end of the video and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.